Tonight, I'm going to show you everything you need to make Independence Day firecrackers. Stick around. Greetings, my confectionery compadres, and welcome to Randy Makes Candy, where I help you make tasty treats that people love to eat. Next week is Independence Day here in the US, and I was looking for something special to commemorate the occasion. Well, sometimes you find what you're looking for in the most unexpected place. In this case, a 2017 article by Patty Diamond in the Pahrump Valley Times. The moment I saw these, I knew I had to make them, so here we are. As always, I'd love to hear about your results if you decide to make your own Independence Day firecrackers, as well as suggestions for other recipes you'd like to see in future videos. For this recipe, I used 1/4 cup of unsalted butter, 4 cups of mini marshmallows, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 6 cups of crispy rice cereal, some Pop Rocks candy, some mini M&Ms, 1 1/3 cups each of red, white, and blue melting wafers, and 1 red licorice whip for each firecracker. I also used a 6-ounce tomato paste can as a mold, some cooking spray, a spoon, a silicone basting brush with a cylindrical handle, a large bowl, a skewer, a cutting board, and a sheet of SilPat. Okay, let's make some candy. Add the marshmallows and butter to a microwave-safe bowl and cook them in 30-second increments, stirring after each increment until fully combined. Stir in the vanilla and cereal and mix until the cereal is evenly coated. Spray the inside of the mold with cooking spray, then spoon some of the cereal mixture into the mold until it's full. Press the handle into the center to make a pocket that almost reaches the bottom. Add M&Ms and Pop Rocks to the pocket you made in the treat. Gently remove the mixture from the mold. Continue with the rest of the mixture. Melt the white wafers according to the directions on the package and paint the center third of a treat with the melted white wafers and place it on a lined cutting board. Repeat the process with the blue on one end and red on the other. Poke a hole in the top of a treat with a skewer and insert a licorice piece for a fuse. Repeat with the remaining treats. And that's it. Oh, my daughter says you should zhuzh it up with some edible glitter. Makes it kind of fireworky. Okay, let's have a taste. Sláinte. Well, first off, I love the way these things look. And I'm sure this goes without saying, but I'm gonna. This is so much better than your bog standard crispy treats. So many different flavors and textures, and the Pop Rocks really gives it that extra punch. Now, truth be told, these are a lot of work. But if you want something that's gonna wow everyone at the Independence Day celebration, you really ought to try these.